Hello, my name is Lee. I'm one of the housing officers in the North Area team. We are here to help our tenants through this difficult time in managing rent arrears. The increasing cost of living means that many people are struggling with their rent and bills at the moment. We just want to let you know that it's really important that you get in touch with us at the area housing teams so that we can help you get the help that you need at this time. We can help you make sure that you're claiming all the benefits that you're entitled to and maximise your income so that you can pay your rent and other bills. We can also help you with energy advice and looking at reducing other household bills. We know that taking the first step to get help with your debt is difficult. Our staff are here to help you. We know that everyone is feeling the pinch and we just want to be there to help you through it. If you would like to speak to us, please give us a call on 01738 476 000. Choose option 2 and someone from your local housing team will be there to speak to you and help you through this.